everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with my Ours Hank Diary dupe. If you're new, welcome, I'm Jen. So I did a video saying how I really wanted the Ours Diary. Of course, it's all sold out. So at the time that I had recorded that, I had, it was available for pre-order or I think at the time they also had some extras that you can order, but I'm glad I didn't order it. I decided to go ahead and set up my Wonderland 222. So I was gonna do a process video, but I have been kind of putting it together as I do my homeschool throughout the day. So I just decided to share a flip through and just share the ideas of how I want to use it anyways. So it's nice to be able to at least have a feel to see if I would really like it. So the dupe was 40, the Our Hanks was 40 and $45. This notebook was, if you bought two, you got one free. So for 19, this one is like retails $19. So I guess I would probably get about, probably got like $14 each. So, I mean, I guess it's not too bad. So I'm going to share with you how I set it up so far. So I was going to do something on the cover, but right now I'm just kind of leaving it as is, and I can always do something with that later. But I just added this little dashboard, this cute dashboard from Simply Gilded. And as I go along, I will add to this. So this has a key, so I don't know if I'm going to add a key, but I even could add an index if I want, but I don't know. I may just decorate this and do something else with it, or maybe, I don't know. We'll figure it out. So so in the Ours Hank, they have a 2-page monthly. I really don't need the 2-page monthly. That's not what I was going to be purchasing it for. So what I did was I printed an A6. This is the 2026 Peanuts Planner Code printables. And then I'm using up like my stash. So these stickers are from Graceful Muse Paperie. So I had some stickers left over, and then I just kind of highlighted with the mile liners. So this is a mix of like a January and June kit from a couple of years ago. So I'm just going to kind of share that. So this is January, February. I am not sure exactly what I'm going to do with the calendars. I was thinking I could even like possibly act like, you know, per day, like add like what I've done or whatever, but I don't know. It's just fun just having a calendar and decorating it. So this was an April kit from a couple of years ago. And then I think that was like a May kit. And then I didn't add anything else. So like I said, that was an A6. I just did kind of like a sideways calendar. So like I said, you would have had it was pretty much a basic monthly calendar in the Hanks. And then like a little, his drawing or something on there. So, and what's nice about the dupe is I can decorate it how I want and use it how I want. And then there was an area, I think that was like a notes page, and then it said weekly. So I don't know, I may add a dashboard or do something here. But here is my idea of how I wanted to use the Hank Diary if I was going to get it. So I went ahead and drew the quadrants. And then today I just kind of did some decorations because this is how I would want to decorate it. So pretty much it's like the same setup, the quads and then the decorations. And then also what I would like to do is sometimes I want to take notes off of YouTube. So I figured I could like set this up into quadrants. So what I did was I numbered 1 through 52 for 52 weeks. And then that way it's almost like having the actual I guess, planner. So this saves me a lot more money to do what I was going to do anyway. So I will still divide those up into quadrants. And Also, a way that I want to use this is sometimes I want to put like a topic and then maybe write some like scriptures. So this is kind of just like a creative outlet. And this paper right here, if you're wondering, I went to Hobby Lobby, I think it's spring. They have like the packs of paper, 8.5 by 11, and it was like different seasons. So yeah, it's just a hodgepodge, a mix of, this is the Giving Girl. I really like her stickers. Some Graceful Muse, Simply Gilded washi. This washi is Cocoa Daisy. And then this is Cocoa Daisy. So yeah, so pretty much it's almost like doing like a little mood board, or like I said, I would do notes. So I'm gonna do all of the quads, and then I'll kind of share how I use it. So really, getting the diary, I didn't really want to use it as a planner. I wanted to use it more for like something fun, like a decorative outlet. So I think I saved myself quite a bit of money, and I am just gonna go ahead and do like a dupe. And then in the back, if I'm gonna do like the extra stuff like they have, I can always add that later, but I don't think so. I just see I numbered just in pencil to week 52. So that's to page, and what's nice about these, this is numbered, so see, into page 118. And then I still have some pages left. So I may still kind of do the drawing like that they have in the back and see how I would use that. But I think I am content with just making a dupe. So there you go. This is my Hanks, since I'm not purchasing one and I missed out. Yeah, I think I'm content with just doing my own thing as far as my creative journal. So thanks so much for stopping by and watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.